Hey, my friend, if you're looking for a way to earn money online while you're working full time, this is for you. This is for people like you and I. You work full time and you want a realistic way to earn online without being an expert, without a big following, without having a lot of views, without spending nights and weekends glued to a screen. You don't want to do that. You already have a full-time career, yet you're in a position where you do need to earn extra money. That's why you're here. But you don't want to be glued to the screen and weekends. You have other things to do. That is not a unreasonable request. Doesn't mean you're lazy, doesn't mean you're not capable. You need to learn something quickly. You need to apply what you learn quickly, and you need to earn quickly. And that's who this is for. So check this out. Here's your solution. I bought a done-for-you digital product system with step-by-step instructions. I customized it because the step-by-step instructions showed me exactly how to do it. I customized it. I downloaded it. I set up a beacon store. It's an e-commerce store. I set it up. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. You can pay for it monthly if you want, but you don't have to. I uploaded the product, the digital product, to my beacon store. I added the sales copy and the price. I got the sales copy from the digital product system because it's a training system as well. Okay. So I got my sales copy from that, my price from that. So now I've created a product and now I have that product ready to sell on a store. Then I went and created an Instagram account and I used the 30 days of content that came with the digital product system. I use that. It gives you what to say for 30 days. Okay. Now, what do I do now? I post on Instagram and YouTube, all while I'm working full time. If it seems like it's too good to be true, it's not. That's how simple and direct this system is. And it is working for a time like this. You don't have to have an email list unless you want to. You don't have to have capture pages or anything. You can post, send people right to your link in your bio or in the link in your video description. And it's people who are resonating with your message. They want it, they'll click, they'll inquire. And if it's something that they want to buy, just like you, if this is a solution that you believe is for you, you'll purchase it. That's it. That's it. So it's not too good to be true. So here's my invitation for you today. If you're looking for a low stress way to get started, I put together a $27 digital product that walks you through the same setup that I used and shows you how to get in position to earn by reselling it. That's all I have for you today. I appreciate you and many blessings. Click the link in the video description to learn more.